Hey, we at Home Depot checking out plants, flowers, and garden stuff. As you can see, they got very nice plants. I'm looking at. They got plants for indoors and plants for outdoors. As you can see, everything looks good. Everything looks nice. Now we are at Appliance Warehouse looking at refrigerators. I like this silver looking refrigerator. It's very pricey, but I like it. For it to be used, it costs like it's a new refrigerator. They got stoves, microwaves, washer and dryers in here. A lot of nice used and new stuff. But some of this